GRWM stands for Get Ready With Me, a popular trend on TikTok that invites viewers into the personal routines of creators as they prepare for their day or a special event. It's more than just a makeup tutorial. It's an intimate glimpse into someone's life, showcasing their personality, style choices, and sometimes even their thoughts and feelings. As creators apply their makeup, choose outfits, or style their hair, they often share stories, tips, and insights, making it an engaging experience for viewers. This format fosters a sense of connection and community as audiences feel like they're part of the process. GRWM videos can range from casual, everyday looks to glamorous transformations, appealing to a wide audience. It's a celebration of self-expression, creativity, and authenticity, allowing users to bond over shared experiences while discovering new beauty hacks and fashion ideas. So next time you see GRWM, dive in and enjoy the journey. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.